Rollup Helper is meant to be easy to set up and use, but in this series of videos, I'll review the steps to troubleshoot your rollups and how to fix common issues. Each of these steps will be covered more in depth in separate videos, but here is the order to check issues. If you're waiting for a rollup to process, but the target field is staying null, check the queue. Make sure queue items are completed and are not stuck or backed up. If queue items are stuck, check Apex jobs. If the queue item completed, but the target field didn't update, check Rollup Helper exceptions, including record locks and filter field validation. If the rollup appears to be running successfully, but the target field still does not have the expected result, use Rollup Preview to ensure filters are configured to return the expected result. After all of that is completed, look into issues of rollups not running in real time if necessary. This video is going to go over step 1A, how to monitor Rollup Helper jobs. If you need instructions on any of the other steps, please check out the other videos in the playlist. How to monitor Rollup Helper jobs. You can check this from the Monitor Rollup Queue tile on the Rollup Helper homepage. The Apex job that runs rollups is called PS_queuable rollup. It is expected for queue items to be under 24 hours old unless they are large manual runs. Every time an Apex job completes, the records remaining will decrease by the value in the record scope custom setting. If the number of records remaining is stagnant, the job is likely stuck and the queue items will need to be deleted and restarted. When a queue item gets stuck, there is usually a failed Apex job, which will have more details on why the job failed. CPU timeout, 5001, too many query rows, SOQL 101, and SOQL 201 are all common Apex job failures that can be resolved by reducing record scope custom settings. You can create a list view to show Rollup Helper failed jobs. The criteria is Apex class starts with PS_queue and status equals failed. Too many queue items are a symptom of having too much asynchronous processing in your org. Asynchronous processing is caused by having rollup triggers on force async, having too many rollup schedules that run too frequently, or having the usage percentage of limits setting too low. If you still need help or have other issues, there are many ways to find answers. For self-service, we have the Rollup Helper admin guide, both in app and on our website, and we also have a knowledge base where you can search for your issue. If you want to get in touch with our support team, you can email us at support@passagetech.com. You can start a live chat on our website, or you can sign up for a one-on-one session to ask questions.